Okay, give you a little Monday morning update on what's going on here with my aquaponics garden. As you can see, we've got our first plants in from germination. That right there is about 9 days, I think, on our beans, and there's some squash and some tomato plants in there. And in the sump tank, we got a couple of picostomus. We got a lot of algae that's growing in there, so the picostomus are going to be happy. You can see how they're hiding over underneath the motor and eating the algae around there to start off with. So these are our drains from my bell siphons. They're doing a real good job. The bell siphons are now running anywhere from 14 to about 17 minutes, depending on the temperament of them. Let's see here, what else we got going on. All the drains from the fish tank are working real well going into each bed. You can see how I've covered the water coming out so it doesn't splash and cause a lot of vibration or evaporation. I was losing a lot of water that way, so maybe that'll slow it down. I got 5 goldfish in here that are just happy as heck. You can see how my water is boiling. Actually, not boiling. It looks like it's boiling, but lots of bubbles, lots of airflow, lots of movement on top of the water. You can see the goldfish running around in there. They've survived the first 30 days, so we must be doing something right. That's about it for now. I'm going to put some more seeds. I'm going to sprinkle some seeds into the gravel bed and see if we can't get some lettuce and spinach going that way. So far, looking good. Started cycling probably about 12 days ago, and my numbers look good there. I add 5 teaspoons of ammonia each day, and the ammonia drops back to near zero every night. The nitrite had spiked and has now started going back down, not to zero, but it's dropping back instead of going up. So looking good. We'll update you again soon.